guys, welcome to this video. My name is Abel, and once again in this video I want to show you a weekend, how it looks like to me when I come here in the farm to visit and check if things are going well and so on. So in this week we are in the course of week 8, and today is Sunday. I decided to weight them as well to see how much weight they have gained since the last week that I was here. You can see all of them, some of them behind me, some of them in front of me. So yeah, it's an exciting day. Yes, this is what you can see. We are preparing the drinkers right now, and meanwhile there are some feed also in the feeders that you see them eating. So this is where we are in week 8. You can see how much they've grown, right? And you can see how beautiful also they are. You can see the feathers are very good. They are shiny, and the color is also expressive right now. You can see all of them almost the same color. You know how they are moving their throats, right? You can tell that the temperature is quite high today, and the whole year we are already in the month of March. March is about to finish, and we have not seen Luanda raining. Yes, so let me wait one of them so you can see. Yeah, this is the balance that I'm using. I'm going to switch it on. And take one of them gently so it comes. Yeah, I'll take one of them gently and place it here in the scale. And you can see here, this one is around so this one is around 600, right? So this one is around 598. Yeah, so this one is around 460. It's around 551. Yeah, so this one is around 599 grams. Let me take another one. It's around 618. Take another one. This 678. This is around 5:49. Okay, and there you go, like this. Yes, this around 5:50, 52, 5:52. Yeah, it's been a very good journey to see them grow up to this point, and we're still keeping on, right, doing our best to achieve the results that we are planning to. So I'm really glad, and it's a very good experience, and it's a way for me also, right, to relax a little bit away from the city and the work environment, right. It's a very good way to spend weekends doing this kind of work, connecting back to the chickens that I love. Alright, so I just finished weighting them, and you can see what I did today is in these two columns here, this column and also this one here. So this one, this part here, this one, these are for other days. You can see the numbers and how these numbers are growing, right? And at the end I take the average, and today's average fell around 511 grams, while the last week I weighted them, it was around 409.82. so in 1 week we gained about 102, right, 101 or 102 grams, which is really good, and it's a way to follow along with the management guidelines. You can see that this means we are doing well, and if we can push a little bit more, given that we are already in the middle of week 8, I think we can achieve the standard weight according to the guidelines. And you can see their waste here, right? It's a lot of maize. Okay, so let me replace some of the drinkers that are now empty. This one is empty. You can see how messed up it is, how dirty it has become. So I'm going to replace it with this one. Okay, guys. Okay, this is a new drinker, fresh water for you guys. Let me replace this one also. This looks empty also. Take a new one. And put it there. Just look, when we go and look for other drinkers that are now empty, and replace them also. Since today is hot, it's a good idea to keep giving them fresh water. It's a very good idea to keep giving them fresh water. Look at this. Go back. Okay, so replacing that also, and bring the last one inside. So what we did here is we keep at least 3 drinkers, and then every time we see one drinker or some of the drinkers empty, we just come and replace. And those that I took out are the ones that I'm going to clean and then fill again, and then leave them on the side, and come back later on to check the situation. So that's the way I'm doing it, to replace water as as quick as possible. There is always water in the drinkers. So yeah, I'm going outside now to clean these drinkers.